Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your videos look professional using just your phone. Here I'm going to show you the step-by-step on how you can edit a complete video in CapCut. From cutting clips to adding effects, transitions, and text, all using the free mobile app. So what is CapCut? CapCut is a free all-in-one video editor for mobile and PC, and it includes AI effects, trending transition, keyframes, and a powerful color grading tools. So you can just open CapCut and tap on new project to start editing, and you can find your videos in here. So for example, I'm going to just use CapCut library. Click on add, and in here this is the CapCut timeline. So now you can, if you want to zoom in, you can just click on the video, and then you can pinch the video like this to zoom in the video, or if you want zoom out, you can also just pinch it just like so. And if you want to trim your videos, you can go to the start or the end of the clip. It depends on the part that you want to trim, and here you can just drag the edges like this and the video will automatically be trimmed. And if you want to split the clips or remove the part that you don't want, you can use split. Head to where you want the split to happen and click on the split button, and the video will be split into two. Now you can just select the part that you don't need. Now you can add music text transition, so you can just tap on audio. Here you can go to sounds if you want to use CapCut music, or you can also import your music by going to sound, click on this folder icon and click on device. You can also use beat sync for automatic rhythm edits. And to add tags, let's just click on tags in here. Click on add tags, add the tags that you want, and then here you can adjust the font. You can add animation. You can click on animation and choose the animation that you want. So let's say I'm going to use this flipping animation like this. And you can also try trending transition like zoom, camera shake, or motion blur. So here to add transition, just click on this white box in between the clips and add the trending transition from here. For example, I'm going to go with this black fade. Click on a check icon, and here is how it will look like. And you can also use filter and color grading. You can go find filters and choose the filter that you want. You can go with cinematic or retro for aesthetic look. I'm going to just go with this one. Hit on a check icon, and if you want to do some adjustment, you can click on adjust, and in here you can adjust the brightness, contrast, and also saturation. If you want to add effects, you can just go to effects in here and choose between video or button effects. And if you want to use overlay, you can click on this overlay button, add overlay, and then you can put or add photos or videos as overlay. After you're done editing, you can just tap on export at the top right corner, select the 1080p or 4K, and choose the 60 fps for smooth quality. And now your video is ready to post on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram Reel. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.